Center in Los Angeles. This is CBS 2 News at 6 p.m.
Now at 6, winds are whipping across the Southland. Flags on the Santa Monica Pier show just how windy it is at the beach. And in the Inland Empire, there are travel troubles for high-profile vehicles. And good evening, everyone. I'm Chris Holmstrom.
Hello, I'm Sarah Donchie. Southern California bracing for more high winds tonight.
CBS 2 meteorologist Amber Lee has all the warnings and advisories. Good evening, Amber.
Hi, Chris. Hi, Sarah. So we are talking Santa Ana winds returning again. So the winds are just now starting to develop, but we've had some very strong winds, especially to the north of us in areas like Santa Barbara. But we're starting to see those winds really pick up. So overnight, get ready. Those winds are going to really start to crank up. These are the areas where we're starting to see some of the strongest, most damaging winds. The high wind warnings in place for not only the foothills and mountains of our usual wind-prone areas, but now including the Inland Empire. So we could see gusts anywhere from 60 to 70 miles per hour. And then all the areas not under high wind warning, under a wind advisory. So you could see all the areas here in brown, including the coast, stretching all the way to a lot of our valley locations. So far, we've seen wind speeds, or wind gusts that is, about 90 miles per hour for Whitaker Peak, Porter Ranch about 42 miles per hour, Castaic at 38, 37 for the Newhall Pass, 36 for Sylmar, and then for Lancaster at 35 mile per hour gusts. So again, these winds will continue to pick up and strengthen. I'll tell you when peak winds are expected and how long it's all going to last. Back to you.